Hello Analytics Funners, welcome to Analytics Fun. In the previous video you learned how to install SQL Server Management Studio on your system. In this video I'll teach you that how to import any Excel file in your SQL Server Management Studio. So to import any Excel file you'll have to follow these steps. You have this Object Explorer on the left hand side as you can see here. And we have lot of folders here. Okay, so in the databases folder, expand it. System databases folder, again expand it. So we have like 4 databases here: master, model, MSDB and tempdb. We'll right click on this master. In the task we have this import data. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will have this welcome to SQL Server import and export wizard. Click on next. You will reach the choose a data source window. Now choose Microsoft Excel here. After you reach here, click on browse and then choose the Excel file. I am choosing Superstore file. You have the link of this particular file in the description below. You can use that file also, or like you can use any other file. Click on open. And first row has column name. I have the first row in my data as the column name, so I'll let this particular thing checked. Click on next. Now choose the destination. In the choose a destination, in the drop down, choose the last option, which is SQL Server Native Client 11.2, and then let it be use Windows authentication only, and the database is master. Let it be like that only. Next. Again click on next. Choose the sheet which you want to import. I'll choose the order sheet and click on next again, and then click on next again, and then click on finish. So this is the process of importing any Excel file into SQL Server Management Studio. Now click on close. So if you like open this particular table in the table system table, so you'll not see like this file right now, but if you refresh it, you'll see it. I'll right click on the master and I'll click refresh. And then if I expand the tables, I have this dbo.orders, the order sheet which I imported. Now if I want to see a preview of it, I'll right click on it and say select top 1000 rows. So SQL will generate an automatic query to select the top 1000 rows and with all the columns here. Okay, and in the result window you can see all the columns and 1000 rows here, and you can preview the dataset. So thank you Analytics Funners. This was all about this video. If you find this video useful, please like it, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel for more such updates. And please leave your valuable feedback in the comment section below and tell us what you would like to make us next. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. Bye bye.